Today we're gonna play our toys. Let's go play our go. Subscribe. Ada mas Sprite. Oh my gosh. Let's go try some more cars. And who's gonna get to win? Who's gonna get to win? Good. So guys, we're gonna try some more cars, and then we're gonna try how fast the Lamborghini car, and then how fast all of the race cars. Oh my gosh. The low car, then I should try the low car. Let's go see how fast the low car. Wait. Let's go. All done. We're catching all of the race cars here. We got so many race cars, and there ones. And then let's go look how there one's so fast. And a Lamborghini car on the first. Let's talk. And this one. 3, 2, ready, set, go. Vroom, vroom. Go. Let's go. First this and then this. Go. Lightning McQueen and Mini Cooper. Type point Mini Cooper. And that's that. Oh, they're fast. How they're fast. Oh my gosh. There got 1,100 millions of top speed. And then he got this one's the 400, and this one's the 2, and this one's the 100, 1.60, and their one's so fast the 2-1, and there got some, and all of the car there have so many top speed. Let's go see how fast the Bugatti. See how. Oh my gosh, it's so fast. Oh my gosh, the Bugatti is gonna get so yeah, it was so fast. So I'm gonna show you the Lamborghini. No, wait. The Lamborghini. And I'm gonna show you the Bugatti. And this one's the Bugatti. This one's. And how this fast? Let's go. What's fast? Civic Type R or this one's? Let's go see if this one's so fast. Or this one. Let's go. There's the Mini Cooper. Oh, yes, that's ready. It's slower. Oh my gosh, that's gonna get. My gosh, it's so fast. And the Civic Type, and then the Civic Type R. Let's go. Maybe race. Okay, 2, 1, go. Race. Yes, no, the Civic Type R is really so slow. Gosh, he runs so fast. He's so fast now. Oh my gosh, they're really so fast. Oh my gosh, let's go. Oh my gosh, Lightning McQueen. Whoa, Lightning McQueen so fast. So fast. How fast? Oh. My cars are really so fast. And let's go look how the big race car so fast. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, go. Who's the fast? The big or the smaller? Wait. How fast the big or the small? Let's go see. Who's the faster, big or smaller? Let's go. Because the big's overtaking. My gosh, the blue Lamborghini drip. Yes, did you see that? He's drifting. Number gabble. Lamborghini. Wait, this. Look. Yes, they're really still so fast. And they're so fast. electric one. It went so fast, guys. Lamborghini went to the bigger ones, and then the Lamborghini really fast. And the end of the Lamborghini. This one's still the winner. What's that one? Okay. Oh my gosh, there's lightning McQueen. My gosh, lightning McQueen so fast. Queen and Civic Type are is fast. The other ones are faster. The Bugatti win. The Bugatti win. This one's the two ones the win, and then this one's the Bugatti. I can show you Bugatti. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching so much. So please subscribe and like and share and click the bell button. So thank you for watching. Bye, guys. You can see my race car next time. Bye.